Efficiency is not profit until it turns into cash.
Let's make every percent of OEE pay back your business. In today's manufacturing world, factories are more connected and efficient than ever before. But here's the paradox. OEE is going up, yet cash isn't following. In this session, I'll show you how to translate overall equipment effectiveness into real free cash flow. Because high efficiency without financial return isn't excellence, it's wasted potential. OEE, or overall equipment effectiveness, measures how well your equipment performs. It combines three dimensions: availability, how often machines run versus downtime; performance, how close production speed is to its optimal rate; quality, how many units pass without rework. But OEE alone doesn't tell the whole story. You can have 90% OEE and still face negative cash flow.
Why?
Because efficiency in production doesn't equal efficiency in finance. If you produce faster than demand or build up unsold inventory, you're locking cash, not earning it.
If your cash is stuck in the warehouse, your OEE hasn't paid back yet.
To turn OEE into liquidity, CFOs and COOs must connect three invisible streams that define every operation. When you improve OEE, you're not just boosting efficiency, you're accelerating cash. Start with material flow, reduce WIP so cash isn't stuck on the shop floor. Then production flow, cut downtime and overtime to shrink operating costs. And finally, information flow. Real-time dashboards speed up decisions and unlock faster cash cycles. When all three move together, operations stop being a cost center and start becoming a cash engine. A 3% rise in OEE can unlock 1.5 to 2% reduction in COGS, 7 days shorter cash cycle, and 1 to 2% improvement in EBITDA.
If your cash is stuck in the warehouse, your OEE hasn't paid back yet.
Let's quantify the connection. Here's the formula. OEE-to-Cash ratio equals delta FCF / delta OEE %. If a factory improves OEE by 5% and free cash flow rises by $500,000, it means each OEE point is worth $100,000 in cash. See how the cyan line rises steeply between 75 to 85% OEE. That's the financial sweet spot, the zone where each efficiency point brings maximum cash impact. Beyond 85%, the curve flattens, meaning your machines may be maxed out, and the only way to gain more is through smarter demand alignment, not faster output.
Every extra hour of uptime is only valuable if it pays you back.
Lean is not about reducing everything, it's about focusing on what creates liquidity. Here are the 4 OEE-to-Cash levers every CFO should know. Align with demand. Focus efficiency on high-margin, fast-selling products. Batch optimization. Cut microstops and reduce changeovers. Predictive maintenance. Keep machines running before breakdowns happen. Cash-linked KPIs. Make every OEE dashboard show its impact on FCF and DSO.
Lean isn't about cutting cost, it's about releasing cash.
Finance teams can turn production metrics into daily cash intelligence.
Here's how.
Identify underutilized assets with high cash potential. Measure cost of idle capacity, the silent killer of ROI. Link OEE data directly with ERP and forecasting models. Review weekly OEE-to-Cash flash reports.
When you measure OEE in dollars, improvement becomes reward.
It's time to evolve. Traditional OEE measures internal efficiency, but true profitability comes from OEE cash, OEE weighted by margin and demand. OEE cash equals OEE x product margin factor. When the factor higher than 1, your production focuses on profitable items. When it's less than 1, you're using capacity for low-value output.
Don't just run machines faster, run them smarter.
Now, let's connect this to your cash conversion cycle. CCC or OEE doesn't just improve efficiency, it tightens your entire cash conversion cycle. Higher OEE lets you run smaller, demand-driven batches, cutting DIO and freeing cash faster. Better first-pass quality speeds of billing, shrinking DSO. And the cash you release lets you take early payment discounts, strengthening DPO and supplier terms. When OEE rises, your CCC spins faster, turning production into profit sooner. Each OEE improvement tightens your CCC by 5 to 7 days. Think of it like shortening the distance between production and profit.
When OEE rises, your cash cycle tightens, and so does control.
Let's bring it to life. A mid-size electronics manufacturer improved OEE from 74% to 82% in 9 months. By linking production to high-margin SKUs, they unlocked $1.2 million in cash and lifted EBITDA by 1.8%, all without new machines or headcount.
True lean doesn't cut jobs, it cuts waste and grows cash.
Efficiency is only real when it pays back. OEE isn't just a factory metric, it's a financial signal. When operations and finance move together, every machine hour turns into measurable value.
Every percent of OEE should echo in your cash flow. If not, reconnect.